Hi guys, this is Fu from Foxtech, and today I'm very excited to show you a new FPV goggles, and this is the Skyzone FPV Goggles. Well, you'll be familiar with our Foxtech AIO goggles, and this can be deemed as the upgrade and the next generation of AIO goggles with more functions and more easy to use. Okay, so let me show you. Here comes with the very nice green box, and if you open it, it also comes with a bag, and it's very nice feature, so you can take your goggles to the fly field without any problem. And if you open it, you can see, of course, the goggles itself, 2 antennas, and here's some wiring for the power and for the AV out, AV in, and also this is also a trainer cable for football radio and also the Turner-J radio. In this demo video, we will only use this trainer cable for football radio, so we just put it inside. Okay, what you're seeing here is the Skyzone FPV goggles, and let me show you the very obvious feature of it. It has 2 antennas. Why 2 antennas? Because it has the built-in 32-channel 5.8G diversity, so it has 2 antennas, which is very cool. So with the 32 channels, you can use maybe up to 10 users using the same goggles in the same field without any interference. So it's very nice, and also it has diversity, so meaning more stable signal reception. Just maybe you are not satisfied with the stock antenna, you just need to buy the clover leaf antenna and use it on it, and it's using the SMA type antenna. So these goggles, let me show you one feature by one feature. So first what we're going to do is using this trainer cable. We plug this on to the goggles, and the other side here is football radio. It's the football 10C, and okay, plug this on, and with this cable the goggles can withdraw power from the radio and also send the head track signal to the radio. So here it has the pan tilt here. Okay, I just plugged the trainer cable to my football radio, and let me show you the head track function. I already assigned the channel 5 and channel 6 for the head track for the pan tilt, and okay, let's do it. Just turn on the trainer function of the football radio, and let me show you. The pan tilt will follow the goggles move. So the Skyzone goggles has the same head track as we used on the AIO goggles. So that meaning it still has the self-calibration function. No matter the facing and no matter how severe you move the pan tilt will always go to the middle position if you keep the goggles still. And also you can also reset the position as you want using this big button, the track button. Okay. So another good feature is on this Skyzone goggles, it has an external camera for you to take the view of outside. It's a very important feature because when you fly the FPV without anyone around you, you don't know how to land your plane without taking off the goggles. So the external camera is a very nice add-on feature, so you can just see what's going on right there. Here is a big button for the camera changing, and if you press it once, you can see the view from this camera, and if you press again, you can see the view from this camera through the wireless receiver. It's very nice. And also what you can see here is a band and the channel button. So because this goggles has 32 channels, so for each band it has 8 channels, and the goggles has 4 bands. So namely, and 4 multiplied by 8, you get 32 channels. So if you press this for 2 seconds, it will change the band, and also if you press this 4 multiplied bands, you can change the channel. So it's very nice feature, and you can just change the channels all by yourself. And also, if you want to adjust the brightness, the contrast, you can use this button. This is actually a small joystick for you to adjust the brightness and the contrast in these goggles, which is so nice, so easy to use. So different from the AR goggles, it doesn't have a built-in menu. So just use the stick and the buttons to control all the functions. Also, you see here is the volume control, also camera change. Okay, so what's on the button? You can see it's some adjustment method for you to adjust the distance between these 2 small monitor to adapt to different person's face. So it's also very easy to use. Also, if you have to wear a short sight glasses, as I do, we will later offer special lens for you to wear these goggles without wearing your glasses, which is very cool. Okay, so what I also see here is the AV out, here is the AV in, and also here is for the earphone output plug. Okay, here what I'm showing is the wireless video from the goggles, and you can see my office, and here is a small joystick in the middle. So I'm just going to change the brightness and also the contrast. Reduce it. So now you'll see the image is getting darker. And I'm going to increase it. Wow, too bright. And also the contrast. If I increase the contrast, you can see the difference. So there's another also very nice feature. You can see here's a camera button. Right, the camera button. Now you are seeing the wireless video, and if I press the camera button, you can see the view from the external camera, which is so cool. I think it's very helpful for you to land your aircraft without taking off your goggles. Very nice. So let's change it back to a wireless video from this small camera. Okay. And so this is a brief introduction of the new Skyzone FPV goggles, and I hope you like it. And if you like our video and the video channel, please just click on the like and subscribe of our video channel. And this is Fu from Foxtech. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.